Hello everyone, welcome back to Nakshatra Rubiks. So here in this video you can see the first two layers of the cube is already completed. So now we are going to learn how to solve the last layer of the cube. So we are going to complete this last layer in 3 easy simple steps. First we need to make yellow cross where you will be facing these 4 different patterns. Whichever the pattern you get, you have to simply apply the formula F, R, U, R dash, U dash, F dash until you get yellow cross on the top. Now in my cube I have number 3 square pattern. You can see I have a square pattern, so I am applying the formula F, R, U, R dash, U dash and F dash. So again here I have case 4 sleeping line pattern. So I need to repeat the formula again to get the plus F, R, U, R dash, U dash, F dash. So here you can see I got yellow cross. Once you're done with the yellow cross, you will be getting some different patterns for which we will be using only one algorithms which is displaying on the top. You have to apply same algorithm to fix all the corners. R, U, R dash, U, R, U, U, R dash. Now I got another pattern, so I'm turning the cube holding in the position and repeating the formula to complete the yellow. Please remember you have to hold the positions properly as given in the pictures, then only the formula work, otherwise the formula won't work. Again I got the second case here, so I'm holding in the position the 2 corners, empty corners in front of me and applying the same formula R, U, R dash, U, R, U, U, R dash. So I got one more pattern, that is we call it as fish pattern. So I'm holding in the proper position. This is the fish mouth and it should be in your left hand side. So holding in the proper position. Now again I'm repeating the formula R, U, R dash, U, R, U, U, R dash. So one more time again I got fish pattern. Again I told you fish mouth should be on your left hand side. Please hold the positions properly. R, U, R dash, U, R, U, U, R dash. So here you can see the whole yellow has been completed. So this is how you complete the yellow on the top by using 2 simple algorithms. All the formula which I am using given in the description box, please check and note down for better understanding. After completing yellow on the top, next step is to complete the last layer of the cube, in which we will be using 2 different algorithms, one for matching the corners and another one is to match the edges. Now to complete the last layer, first you need to check is there any 2 corner are matching with the house. House means the center of the cube. So is there any 2 corners matching? You have to match it with the house. Here you can see my blue 2 corners are same, and if I turn and match it with the blue house, the corners are completed. So for you also, if any corners are already matching, first you have to keep it on the back side of the cube and you have to apply the formula. No changes in the yellow and white position. Yellow should always be on the top only. Whichever the corner is already matching, that should be in the back side. So now blue is matching. I am keeping my blue on the back side. If no corners are matching, you can face any color in front of you and repeat the algorithms. Now I'm starting the algorithm to match the corners R dash, F, R dash, B, B, R, F dash, R dash, B, B, R, R. So you can see here by chance my cube has been completed. So we cannot predict the cube. The cube is not same always. Everything depends on the shuffling. Sometimes your cube won't get solved here. You still have one more step to go, which I am showing you now. So yes, here you can see after applying the corner formula, all 2 corners of the cubes are matching with its houses. So once all the corners are matching, next step is to match the edges. This is the last step in the cube. We have to match the edges. So first here you need to check if there is any color completed. Compulsory you have to keep it on the back side of the cube. then only you have to use the edges algorithm. Otherwise the algorithm won't work. If no color is completed other than yellow and white, you can face any random center in front of you and use these two algorithms to complete the edges. Now I don't have any color completed, so I'm facing a random center in front of me. So here we will be having two different algorithms to complete the edges. How to use this algorithm means, first you need to check the edge color in front of you. Here my edge color is green and green center is on my left side. So I'm gonna use the left algorithm to fix this edge on my left side. FF U R dash L FF R L dash U FF. So here you can see one side, one color has been completed. So here we need to repeat the same formula again. I have orange edge in front of me and orange center is on my left side. But one important thing is, as I already told you, whichever the color is completed, that should be on the back side of the cube compulsory, otherwise the formula will not be working. So now my green color is completed, I am keeping it on my back side, and orange edge I am facing is on my left side. So I am using left formula again. FF U R dash L FF R L dash U FF. So here you can see the cube has been completed. Here I am going to show you with one more examples. After completing yellow, if one color is already completed, keep it on the back side. So we haven't used the right formula yet, so I'm giving you example of using right formula here. I have blue edge and blue center is on my right side, so I'm gonna use right algorithm now. FF U dash R dash L FF R L dash U dash FF. That's it. So this is how the algorithms are gonna work, and you can solve the cube very easily in a simple step-by-step procedure. While fixing the last step, edges, sometimes you will face opposite edge parity cases. When you get opposite edges, if edge is not in the right side, not in the left side, you can go with any formula, either right formula or either left formula. The formula is gonna work and one side will get completed. Then you can do as usual, repeat the formula again, then your cube will get completed. I will be attaching all the formulas in the description box. Please follow all the steps to solve the cube perfectly. Hope you all like my videos. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Take care. Bye bye.